I bet you didn't know you could whip up a Greek fisherman's pot in just an hour. Here's how. Start by heating some olive oil in a large pot. Throw in chopped onions, garlic, and a mix of your favorite Mediterranean herbs. Now add diced tomatoes and let it simmer. Next, pour in some white wine and fish stock. Bring it to a gentle boil. Time for the star of the show, add your seafood mix. We're talking about shrimp, mussels, and fish fillets. Let them cook until they're tender and juicy. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice and a handful of fresh parsley. Serve it hot with crusty bread. And there you have it, a delicious Greek fisherman's pot that's sure to wow everyone. So, who's ready to cook up a storm? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes.